Hello and welcome to the Crawley Community Awards 2020. Now it has been a very different year this year. As you can see, we're filming in a different space at the Horth. It's empty, it's just us, but that does not change the fact that we do have winners and that your name could be in one of these envelopes. So without further ado, let's get started. The next category is for charity, and the winner is Crawley Open House. Crawley Open House provides support and services for those suffering the effects of homelessness, unemployment, loneliness, discrimination, or other forms of social exclusion. Their support is available to anyone in need. The drop-in day centre can be accessed by anybody who needs help, advice, or just the company of somebody who cares, empathises, and tries to understand. A special mention goes to Charlie Aratoon, who has spent the last 21 years working in every area of support that Crawley Open House offers, from health to advice and resettlement, and since 2013 as director of this essential Crawley charity. Crawley Open House, congratulations.